This is the guided practice for 6.5, and we're talking about some properties, commutative and associative and identity. So we've got some expressions here. We want to see if they're equivalent, and if they are, we want to say what makes them equivalent. So we have this right here. We want to know if that's equal to this expression here. Right away I notice that it's 35, 17, 43, and then 35, 17, 43. So it's the same numbers. They do have this grouped first on this side and this grouped first on this side. But because they're the same numbers, same order, and it's addition, I know without even adding them they are equal, yes, and they're equal because of the associative property. Okay, this one. 25, 9, 5, 25, 9, 5. They're in the same order, but they're subtraction. So I'm pretty sure, I'm going to put no. We will check it out, but I know that when you subtract things, it does matter what you subtract first and what's grouped together. So let's do this side. 25, take away 9 is 16, and then I bring down my minus 5. 16 minus 5 is 11. So this side is 11. Now let's do this side. 9 minus 5 is 4. Then I bring down my 25. 25 minus 4 is 21. So on one side I have 11, the other side I have 21. 11 and 21 are not equal. Okay? Now this one, number 3. 59 times 1 and 59. Well, I know there's a property. Anything times 1 is going to be the other number. So that does work. Yes, and the property is identity. Property. Okay, great. I should spell it right. Okay, now let's look at number 4. At a gymnastics meet, a gymnast scored 8.95 on the vault and 9.2 on the uneven bars. Write 2 equivalent expressions that could be used to find her total score. So we could do 8.95 plus 9.2. And if we want that's equal to that, how about we do 9.2 plus 8.95. And just for fun, there's a certain property that allows this to work called the commutative property. Okay, number 5. Nadia bought suntan lotion for $12, sunglasses for $15, and a towel for $18. Use the associate property to mentally find the total of her purchases. Okay, so I could add any 3 together, or any 2 together, and then add the third. Right away I see this 12 and 18. I'm going to add those first, because in mental math it's much easier. 8 plus 2 is 10, plus this 10 and this 10. So these two together, 18 plus 12 equals 30. And then 30, I throw the 15 in there, plus 15 is going to give me a total of $45. Okay? And I can add those any which way because the associate property tells me it's all going to get the total. Okay? So that's a guided practice. Go ahead and try the independent practice, and then you can watch the video to see how you did.